Hello guys, this is Q. I want to show how to make 3D lenticular photo at home on my Mac. It's pretty simple by now. It's gonna take like 3 minutes, 5 minutes to make a copy. It was a long way to come, but I made it. So this is my photo I took in Rose Garden day before something. Let's use this one. It was beautiful spring day, rose day. And let's see, all you need is here, stereo photo maker, in this way. Open. Ta-da! This is open. Choose desktop, whatever. Edit size 1800. 1800 is for kg size photo paper. It's 4 by 6 inches. It's common, not too big, not too small. And that's it. And save as MPO, Rose Garden, and put it in Photoshop 21. It's 21. Like new edition got rid of like this 3D feature. So you need 21st or fewer or older. So make sure you change it to lenticular. Depth wise, usually 20 or 30. 24 start, and lens LPI to be 5. I don't know why, but works. And this display size 85. Usually for 6 by 4, 4 by 6 for the paper. 1800 width and 85% of display, so that I can see the effect, 3D effect on screen by putting the lenticular sheet onto the laptop monitor. Laptop screen, so I can see pretty much same way. And 020 looks perfect. Sometimes 1030 or 1030. And here also you can add exposure, adjustment layer exposure. And you can choose how dark you want. Gamma correction and exposure is pretty much everything you need. And is this too bright? Maybe. So not too much. Not too much. So 020. 020 PNG desktop. Save. And open in preview, and here you can adjust my favorite final adjustment, sharpness, little bit sharpness, more sharpness. Don't go extreme, you can go extreme, but it's so fake, you know, a little bit. Temperature, I don't know, looks fine. Shadow here also you can adjust. And exposure here, not too dark, it's bright noontime, but not too much. Sometimes it get too bright and too red, and it looks just plain matte color and no structure or no forms be seen. So maybe this much. So sharpness, a little bit of dark and brightness adjustment here. EPSON printer, fancy one, 6 colors, 2 blacks, 1 gray, and 3 hues. And size-wise, and 4 by 6 inches. 4 by 6 inches, you know. This one is A4 compatible printer. $500 at Amazon. In Japan. Let's see, not much. And size, here we go. This is important. This is important. Magic number 24.1 for kg size 1800 with. This is magic number. Print. And in 10 seconds in standard quality. It's quite super fast. And let's see for now, and you can't, I will film the actual print. So this is 3D print, It's not 3D print, lenticular print. Looks perfect. 020 was the magic number. Yeah, can't go wrong. Excuse me. This one. Looks much better than I expected. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.